trading tips, and we will be checking these out right here in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. So, guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything we'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a reflect on the chart before you can follow up with it. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we are starting with GainX 1200. So I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trade indicator to do my analysis right from here. It is a custom made indicator. So just like I have said earlier today that this is going to sell and it sold till it got to this region. And of course, it achieved most of our TP. So this is going to be giving us, it is now giving us an uptrend right now. So as you can see, it's switching to an uptrend already and it has given us a buy signal. So let's see what we need to do. First of all, we need to highlight the support zone. That's the first thing you should do. Then you should highlight your entry points. Okay, so normally this should be our entry point, but let me take this away from here, and I would also like to take this away from here. Okay, so this should be our entry point normally, but you can see it has gone far. Okay, so I'm going to put the entry point somewhere here because this is spikes trading. Okay, okay, guys, since it is spikes trading, I think this is still a good place for the entry point. Entry point here, then this can be our stop loss, and somewhere here should be the first TP. Okay, the first TP. Then second TP should be around here. Then let's see the third TP. The third TP will be somewhere here. So I'm just going to drag this down a bit. Okay, this is cool. This is the third TP. Let's see the fourth TP. So because of this and this area, so we're going to drag this down a bit to the fourth TP. So we'll be using this as our fourth TP. Then I think this is cool for the fifth TP. Okay, so that is it. So we want to believe that this should give us more buying opportunity right from here. Okay, except if it breaks out below this support zone, that is when it's going to sell more. Okay, however, if that will happen, then it will hit our stop loss. That is after activating our entry point. You know, it is yet to activate it. We are expecting it to come down to activate it and spike up. So that is it. So this should be more buying. It should be giving us more of buying opportunity than selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, wow, this is beautiful. This is GainX 999. We actually started an uptrend right from here, and it achieved all our TPs, TP 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth TP had just been achieved. So right now we are trying to see if it will go on downtrend. So let's quickly see a setup for that. So I'm going to take all my other lines away from there. So the first thing I need to do is to mark the support zone, okay, which may likely be our stop loss. Okay, but for now we are just marking it. Okay, so and this is most likely okay. This should be our stop loss if this is to be our entry point. However, this has actually gone more than that. Okay, so let's see, let's readjust this, guys. Let's readjust this. So this is going to be our entry point and the stop loss is too far, so we are going to readjust the stop loss to somewhere here. So right here is our entry point now, a new entry point. And of course, let's try to see our TPs. This is going to be TP1. So hopefully, if it activates this, we expect it to achieve all this. If it does not, it will hit the stop loss. That is if it's trying to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so let me quickly highlight the TPs. Okay, let's see what we can get with this setup. Okay, guys. So entry point, stop loss, and the TPs. Let's see what you can achieve with all these. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so let's move on, guys. Let's move on to the next asset. So this is um Paynex 1200. But before then, let me put the right record for this. Okay, so now let's move on to Paynex 1200. So guys, this is Paynex 1200. Okay, Paynex 1200 is still on downtrend, just where we have seen it. It started the downtrend yesterday, but it had so many pullbacks today, and it's still trying to sell. You can see it right here. So this is still trying to sell, and of course, probably it will be targeting this region. So this is still going to be more selling than buying, okay? Even though it has been playing within this particular region, okay? But it is still more selling than buying. Okay, so just where we are seeing it right from there. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. Wow, this has really gone far, and I'm really happy about this. We actually analyzed this in the morning. So this was this support zone. I mean the stop loss rather, and this happened to be the entry points. Okay, right here is our entry point, and we had our first TPA, and we have achieved that. The second TP has been achieved also, and the third TP has just been achieved. So we have just two more TPs to go. Okay, we are just two more TPs to go, TP 4 and 5. So congratulations to those of you who are able to achieve this. So this is still more of a buying opportunity. However, if there is any pullback, then it is an opportunity for anyone who is yet to go into it to go into it and milk the rest of the TPs. Okay, so that is it. But you need to wait for the right signals before you jump into it. So this is still buying, and it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Now let's move on, guys. Let's check out FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been on downtrend. It started the downtrend right from here, even though there are major pullbacks in between, but it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So I am still expecting it to get to this region. Okay, so if that is if it breaks out from here, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, you can go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying the strategy out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly subscribe to this channel right away, and you can drop your question for me in the comment section. I will be there to reply. Thank you, and God bless you.